Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Instagram account to Meta Business Suite. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for Meta Business Suite. So let me copy from here, paste it here, click on enter, open Meta Business Suite. Then you need to click on get started. And here you need to click on settings. So once you are on that page, click on business assets. And then you need to click on Instagram account, click on add assets. So click on Instagram account, click on I agree, click on claim Instagram account, and here you need to enter the login detail of an Instagram account that you want to connect. So let me enter. Click on login. Click on not now. Click on allow all the cookies if you want, so it is up to you. And now it is connecting. Click on done. So here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can add Instagram account to Meta Business Suite. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.